In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report a seller on Facebook Marketplace. If you come across a suspicious listing, misleading information, or behavior that seems inappropriate, Facebook gives you a built-in way to report it directly through Marketplace. The process is fairly simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you know exactly where to click and what to expect. Start by going to Facebook in your web browser and signing in to your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct profile so you can access Marketplace and submit the report properly. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look for the Marketplace section and click it. This will take you into the buying and selling area where listings are displayed. Next, find and open the seller's listing that you want to report. It's important to open the specific item listing first because that's where Facebook places the reporting options for both the listing itself and, in some cases, the seller connected to it. Take a moment to confirm that you're on the right listing before moving on. Once the listing is open, look for the three-dot menu. This is usually located somewhere near the listing details, and it opens up additional actions you can take. Click that menu to reveal the available options. From there, choose either Report Listing or Report Seller, depending on what Facebook shows you on that page. The wording can vary slightly, but both options are designed to help you flag a problem. If the issue is specifically about the product listing, such as a fake item or misleading description, reporting the listing may be the better choice. If the concern is more about the seller's behavior, then the seller report option may be more appropriate. After that, Facebook will ask you to choose the reason for your report. Select the option that best matches the issue you're seeing. It's a good idea to be as accurate as possible here, since that helps Facebook review the situation more effectively. Then just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the report. Facebook may ask for a few more details depending on the type of complaint you selected. Once you've reviewed everything, click Submit. And that's it. Your report will be sent to Facebook for review. If needed, you can also avoid further interaction with that listing or seller while Facebook looks into it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you report a seller on Facebook Marketplace quickly and confidently.